We're going to be installing the intake manifold next. We painted the intake manifold and it looks pretty nice. It's red, but whenever we put it on, see all this junk in the head here? That's just from taking it off. You can see all the gunk in there. So what we're going to do is clean all that out. I'm just going to use a rag, blow into it, get all the junk out of there, because when we start the car, we don't want all that just flooding into the cylinders. We're going to blow these holes out here with the compressor. I just want to put a little bit of rag over here so everything doesn't shoot out at us. There was a big piece that came out. Some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to clean some of these cylinders out. Not cylinders. Some of the manifold parts here. We don't want any of the crud to go into the cylinder whenever those valves open up. We want to make sure this is as clean as it can be in there. So I'm just scrubbing it out with some rubbing alcohol, and this will really clean it. I'm gonna blow it out and see if I get anything else to come out now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blow out the intake manifold. There's some sawdust in there because I set it down in a place where it shouldn't have been. So let's go ahead and blow it out. Now let's go ahead and put the manifold itself on. It goes on this way. You have a few different supports in the engine right here. I think this bolts on right here just as a support. So let's go ahead and kind of work this into place. Might be easier if I just pop off the fuel rail with all the injectors. So I'm just pulling it nice and light, not too hard, and there's our injectors. Now I'm gonna put the manifold itself in place. Just like that. There we go. Now we can go ahead and put this new gasket in. Probably should have laid it on there before I put the manifold itself on. It's okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the manifold on. The manifold gasket, just like that. It's in place. Now we can lift the manifold in place again. I'm going to go ahead and put these bolts in just by hand. Just start threading them in. The reason I'm putting these in by hand is just because I want to feel the threads, make sure they're not stripped in any way, or if there's any burrs, I want to make sure everything's going in smooth. Putting these in, kind of not starting from one end and just going to the other. I'll put one in here and then here, and I'll just kind of sparse it around so it starts to seat evenly. Magnetic trays here, you get them for free at Harbor Freight. I really like these, they're really convenient. We're going to torque these bolts to 10 foot-pounds. So I'm going to use the digital torque wrench from Harbor Freight to do that. We've been using this wrench for a while. It works. It works great. So do the mechanical ones. We have both. We use both all the time. The way this works is it has two different sets of beeps, kind of. So let me show you. If I start torquing, you'll hear that beep. That means you're just getting close to the torque. Right there, that high-pitched beep, that means you're right at the torque. That's the beep. That's when you know you stop and move to the next one. You want to stagger the way you torque. You don't want to just torque from one side to the other. It might kind of warp up a little bit. So you just want to make sure you're torquing in kind of like a stagger pattern. Right now with all those bolts in, the intake manifold is bolted in, but if I shake it, I can feel the whole manifold move. So that's just because it's held in with these bolts. There's a support right here that's held on by this bolt here. Let's go ahead and thread this in. 6mm Allen. Now I really feel a difference here. This intake manifold is not gonna move anywhere. There's two more bolts that go on right here. Actually, they're nuts. And they just thread on right there. You wanna put these on by hand first before you use the ratchet, just to make sure all the threads are meshing correctly. Now we can hook some of these hoses up to the intake manifold. We have this hose here, this on the other end, it hooks up to the turbo. So that slides on just like that. And then this hose here, it's part of the regulator on the fuel rail. That slides right on here as well. And then we got this hose down here, slides right on this part of the intake manifold. And the last one that goes on is this elbow here, and that slides just right on like that. That's how you install the intake manifold, and the next thing to go on is the throttle body. It'll go right here.